The Model 6000A Jump Starter Combo is a versatile tool designed to jumpstart all gasoline engines and large diesel engines up to 10 liters, even in extreme temperatures ranging from -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This combo includes a powerful air compressor capable of inflating tires and sports equipment quickly with a turbocharged airflow and convenient features like auto shutoff and real-time pressure monitoring. It provides dual USB fast charging for devices such as phones, tablets, and laptops, along with an emergency LED light featuring multiple modes for nighttime use. Safety and durability are prioritized with a 10-layer protection system, intelligent heavy-duty cables, and a honeycomb thermal design that efficiently reduces overheating. The Jump Starter Combo is a portable and complete kit, including smart clamps, air nozzles, a Type-C cable, and a storage bag, all backed by a 2-year warranty. Manufactured by Shenzhen Sewing Electronic Commerce Co. Ltd., this product is an essential tool for self-driving tours, offering reliability and convenience.